first. This is easy pasta, but if you make like other way, maybe you don't like try that this way. First, for one portion, we have a small plates. Yeah, we can put maximum boiled it al dente 150 grams. That is raw 80, 80 grams. If you are hungry, take 150. You put other plate, water, not too much. This maybe will be 500, 600 grams. Like that. 500. Yes, 600 grams for 80. Right. If you making welding, you need to use that sauce juice for creamy. Put salt. Salt you need to put too much. For 500-600 grams, two spoons. For that portion, you need like 80 or 100 grams carbonara. How much? For one portion. 100 maybe. Yes, maybe. Amazing. Without skin. Without skin will be 72. Amazing. Cut. If you have a slice, you can use. If no, for one portion, make easy. Like this, slice. Like this, one easy way. Carbonara is pancetta. Don't use another things. First will be another. If you want like original or good taste, use like this. It's pork meat. Small pieces. Why? If you're using more space, will be taste more. Like this. Water is ready. For this spaghetti, this is number 3. Need for al dente maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah. Every time you can go check. Yeah. Al dente 5 minutes. 2 euros. See? This is the best. Don't use white. You don't need cream. How much cream? Maximum for one portion in this, like this portion, 50 grams. That is 500. It's maybe 10% like this. 50 grams. Idea 50 grams. Not more. Black pepper. Fresh garlic. Now it's ready. This is what we need. Save this little bit, not too much. After 3-4 minutes, it's a bit like al dente, but not al dente. It's need a little bit time. Need more 1-2 minutes. Oil, don't use too much. Don't use high power, just like 1/3 what you have. If you will overcook something, will be other tests. Let's do some ready. Okay. Like this. And watch. Yeah, pork fat. Pork fat. For that, use little. One is the secret, don't use too much water. And here I have a salt. Oh, flour. Look at this. This is flowering for carbonara. Now we have a salt and inside pepper in the sauce, on the sauce. But all things. Just you have a little bit time to use this sauce. What to do? Maximum need for X for yellows need 60 gram, 60 temperature, not more. It will be a little bit more, 65, 70, that is, forget about pasta. This will be some other pasta. If you do some mistake, you can try put more the water, better cold water and mix. Now in here we have all things, fat, yellow, salt, pepper, garlic. That's it. Not look at this. If you want some juicy, you can try. We are egoist and don't say I put the much to fill like this. If you like a little more sauces, you can put little more. And finally, like this. Nothing more. This will be amazing. I know. For the first time for Leslie. Try this way and write some comments. Thank you.